How to clear saved chats on your account from Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can clear your chat feed or chats that you have saved on Snapchat. Open Snapchat and make sure you are logged into your account. Go to your profile by tapping on the top left of your screen. Here you can find settings icon on top right of your screen. Tap on the option and as you scroll below, here you can find clear conversation option. Now tap on the option and here you can find save chats with your friends. Now if you want to delete a particular chat, now just tap on the cross icon that you can find on the right side of your screen. Here you'll get a confirmation to clear the chat or clear the conversation. Just select clear and hence your conversation will be cleared. Hope you like this video. Hope this video was useful to you. Like and subscribe and comment down if you have any further issues.